is moment. The moment of force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point of axis. The SI unit for moment is Newton meter. The formula for moment is equal to R times F. F is equal to force exerted on the object, while R is the distance between the tangential force and pivot or axis.
Honey, look at this. There is a food fest at Ayam tonight. Let's go.
Really? Sounds fun. Let's go. It's been a while since we went out. So, what do you want to wear tonight?
I don't know. Let me check the locker. What do you think about this? Is this okay?
Good. Nice. It looks good on you.
Hey Rabiha, do you want to join us?
I want, but I want to finish my homework first.
Oh, it's okay.
Eh? Stop!
Huh? Why?
I think this is one of the example of the static moment and torque. Huh? Static moment and torque? What do you mean? Let me explain.
We will look at how the ironing board stays balanced even when we place an iron on it. You might wonder, how does it not fall? Let's find out using physics. First, let's identify all the forces acting on the ironing board. First, the weight of the board WB acts downward at the center of the board. Second, the weight of the iron WI acts downward at the position where the iron is placed. Third, there are two normal forces N1 and N2 at the two pivot points where the board is connected to its leg. For the moment to stay still or in static equilibrium, two main conditions must be satisfied. First, resultant force must be equal to zero. That means all upward forces N1 and N2 equal all downward forces WB and WI. Second, resultant moment must be equal to zero. This means the total clockwise moment equals to the total anticlockwise moment. A moment happens when a force acts at a distance from a pivot. Given by the formula, moment equals to force times distance from the force to the pivot. Let's choose the left pivot as our reference point. The weight of the board creates a clockwise moment. The weight of the iron also creates a clockwise moment. Meanwhile, the normal force at the right pivot N2 creates an anticlockwise moment.
For the board to stay balanced, not tipping or rotating, the total clockwise moment must equal the total anti-clockwise moment. This step also applies for the right pivot. So, both normal forces N1 and N2 adjust themselves to keep the board in static equilibrium. The torque from the iron and the board's own weight are balanced by the support reaction. That's why even when we put a heavy iron on one side, the ironing board doesn't fall. It's all about balance, forces and moment.
Okay, now I get it. Let me join you guys.
Dalil nakli on moment. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Inna Allah qad qaddara kulla shay'in biqadar. Rawahul Muslim. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, indeed Allah has ordained everything with due measure, balance. So what is the connection between the hadith with moment and torque? This hadith emphasizes that Allah has created everything with precise measure and balance, similar to the principle of moment equilibrium in physics, where the forces and their distances must be in proportion to maintain a balanced system.